What are these, Gran Gran?
They're called CDs. They play music.
Wow! I can't hear any music.
It's because I don't have a CD player anymore.
I think I know where they go.
In the spring clear-out box. This jumper keeps reappearing. Strange. Thank you for your help, JoJo. There's nothing in the hallway. I think we've finished our spring clear-out. Oh, well, you look a bit different, JoJo.
Do I?
Yes, something's changed. Right here. This old thing again. Why do you keep taking my old jumper from the box, JoJo?
I don't want to spring clear out your jumper, Gran Gran. It's so snuggly and I'll miss it. Please don't throw it away.
Just because it's old and in the spring clear-out box doesn't mean it's being thrown away, JoJo.
Really?
Really? I always try to find new uses for old things.
But what can you do with an old jumper?
I think it's time for a Gran Gran plan. We can use the wool from this old jumper to knit something new for you.
Can I look yet?
Ta-da!
Watch more on BBC iPlayer.